So this my new book serves two things. It serves as an empowerment, serves to empower Ndimbo, serves to empower you as an African and as an Igbo person, and also it serves for educational purposes, as in like you can use it to educate yourself or educate people that are around you, such as your kids or your friends or your family. So like I'm not going to show you guys all that is inside the book. I'm just going to show you guys like just 2 pages inside the book, and like help you guys have a clear understanding in a standing of how to use the book to like explain things for somebody, also to teach how you can be able to use the book to teach, and also how you can be able to understand the book and understand the book. You're supposed to have your own essential understanding of the book. I don't want to this book is not designed to give you all the explanation. No, it is designed in such a way for you to have your own understanding, your own interpretations of things. Okay, so the first page is blank, and you usually see like my signature of the book over here. So it's just black because everything comes from darkness. Okay, and this is just explaining about the author of the book, which is me, Sirius Ugard. So and over here it tells you that the Igbo word for deity is Agbala or Agbara. The Igbo word for spirit is Chi, and in Alpha, Chi is called Akara, Ijitofu, or Ijitora. This art book unveils some of the best Sirius Ugo art of Igbo spirits from 2017 to 2021. It says over here, dedicated to all Igbo people and the entire universe. And over here it says acknowledgements, inspirations from, and gratitudes to Nechukwu, which is the mother of the universe, Chukuna Ajana, which explains spirits and matter. Chukuna Ajana represents spirits and matter. Ozo Ado Onubudogo, the creator of all the species of the universe. Agwishoha, which is the leader of all intelligence. Ezanwanyi Mwemiri, the queen of the sea. Nona Namba, the mother who was at the very beginning of time. Nwanyi Chukwu. Igbo, okay, the deity known as Igbo. Ndichie, known as Chi, which is our guardian angels, all the people all our ancestors that are in the spirit realm. Ekeoria Fonkwa, which is the 4 elements that we were made out of. Ndi Okbo na Ndi Agede, the major Igbo ancestors. Ndi Okbo, Ndi Agede, Igbo Dibias, all the Igbo shamans. Ezume Ezunine, all Ndi Nine Sini Igbo Gadetagete. And these are all the people, the gratitudes and inspirations from, and gratitude to, okay, from this book. And so this is the page that I just wanted to show you guys, the first page. And this page is called Aqua, the cosmic womb, okay? So this, and over here it shows you what Aqua is, okay? What is inside the Aqua. And if you look, you will see that the Milky Way galaxy, the Orion's arm, which is Aki King, this realm that we live in, that's what's in Aqua. So this page, first page, is telling you that the mother goddess Nechukwu, the mother of the universe, is the creator, as in like we live inside her womb, we live inside a cosmic womb, okay? And all the deities in the universe live inside a cosmic womb, okay? And this is just how powerful this book is. You can explain this to in terms of for our people to understand where we came from and how things correspond. You can link this to science and everything else in the universe, okay? So we live inside a cosmic womb, and all the deities, which are every body, okay, every living species, everything that has chi in them, lives inside a cosmic womb, okay? So that's basically all I can be able to show you guys. If you want to learn more, you have to order the book. You have to get the book for your family, for yourself, for your children. And this book also serves as it's designed to change your imagination, to give you a very good visuals of Agbara. And you notice that Agbara is not different from you. Okay, we become Agbara through self-illumination.